What if everything you've been told about tiredness is completely wrong? You're not lazy. You're not weak. Your body is sending you a signal, and most people never learn how to read it. Segment 1, the real problem. Most people wake up exhausted, drag themselves through the day on caffeine, crash by mid-afternoon, and call it normal. It isn't normal. It's a sign that your body's systems are out of sync. Chronic fatigue isn't just about sleep. It's about how well your cells are producing energy. And the truth is, poor movement, processed food, shallow breathing, and chronic stress are quietly strangling your body's ability to function the way it was designed to. You're not tired because life is hard. You're tired because your biology is running on the wrong fuel, with too little oxygen and almost zero recovery. Segment 2, what's actually happening inside you, your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside every cell, are responsible for generating your energy. But they need 3 things to do their job: movement, quality nutrients, and adequate rest. When you sit for hours without moving, your circulation slows. Oxygen delivery drops. Your brain gets less blood flow, and mental fog sets in. When you eat ultra-processed foods, your body spends enormous energy managing the inflammatory response instead of powering your day. And when you sleep poorly, your nervous system never fully resets. Cortisol stays elevated, and every morning you start behind. This is not a motivational problem. This is a physiological one. Segment 3, the reset protocol. Here is what actually works, and it does not require perfection. First, move before your mind wakes up. Even 10 minutes of brisk walking in the morning activates your lymphatic system, boosts circulation, and signals your brain that it is time to be alert. No gym required. Second, eat for energy, not convenience. Prioritize whole proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. These give your mitochondria the raw material they need to produce lasting energy rather than short spikes followed by crashes. Third, protect your sleep like it is your most valuable asset. Because it is. Your body repairs tissue, regulates hormones, and consolidates memory during sleep. Cutting it short is like trying to drive on an empty tank and wondering why you keep breaking down. Fourth, breathe intentionally. Slow, deep nasal breathing throughout the day activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reduces cortisol, and significantly improves oxygen delivery to your brain and muscles. You were not built to be exhausted. You were built to move, recover, and thrive. The moment you stop treating fatigue as a character flaw and start treating it as a biological signal, everything changes. Your body is not failing you. It is waiting for you to listen. Start today. Start small, but start.